The time is 12:24 on this Tuesday afternoon. It's shaping up to be a beautiful but very warm day across the valley. Looking outside, courtesy of Sky 5, you see plenty of sunshine out there, hardly a cloud in the sky. Let's go back to the map and we'll look at the temperatures in McAllen at this hour, right around 89 degrees. But of course, we do have that mugginess to contend with. So when you factor that in, it actually feels more like 91 in McAllen. It actually feels like 95 in some areas. Look at that. Raymondville and Harlingen all down that I-60-90 corridor feeling like 95 while you're still in the upper 80s. So it feels like the mid to lower 90s out there. Even the island where it's currently around 81 degrees, it feels like 85 out there. So as the day goes on and we continue to heat up, expect it to feel a little bit warmer. Now looking at your wind speeds, they're mainly out of the south and a few areas like McAllen out of the southwest, but notice that they're starting to slow down a little bit, but still elevated near the coast. South Padre Island right around 21 mile per hour winds, 28 mile per hour gusts, gusting in Brownsville at 30 miles per hour. Harlingen still has 33 mile per hour wind gusts. So we still have the small craft advisory. The one that was in place through 11 this morning for the Gulf waters has been extended through 3 o'clock this afternoon. Again, you can expect elevated seas, also choppy bay waters out there, so just be careful. Conditions will begin to improve slowly as the day goes on. Here's the setup across Texas. This is a stationary boundary. It will eventually move a little bit and it'll pass by, but really not doing much to our forecast this afternoon. Here is where the game changer is. It is located over the north portion just outside of the panhandle of Texas. So that's the cold front that'll eventually make it to the valley. And that's the one that's going to bring a slightly cooler air mass. And we need that nice little change of pace. But when we look across the southeastern United States, you see all these areas lit up in orange and yellow and even green outside the valley, well away from us. But we do have the risk for severe weather in the southeastern United States as this cold front treks toward the east. So there are thoughts going there. Definitely some rain is needed in those areas. Future track shows that we could have a few showers in our forecast, but let me show you when that happens. Start the clock at noon today, and we still have plenty of sunshine all throughout the afternoon. Even your drive time home will be warm, maybe even a little breezy from time to time, but the breeziness will subside as we head into the late afternoon and early evening hours. Now looking at 8 o'clock tonight, not much going on, but here we go, the changes. Right around midnight, we'll start to see some fog development as those winds really lighten up, and then here comes the cold front knocking on our door. It'll pass by early tomorrow morning, and that will allow for that high pressure system to settle in behind it. The cooler, drier air will mix into the valley. We'll have a good amount of sunshine, slightly cooler weather, and it'll be a little bit breezy as well tomorrow. Plus, with your dew point values dropping to the 40s and even 30s, that will make it feel a whole heck of a lot different in the afternoon tomorrow. So here's your 7-day forecast. We're at 90 degrees today. Some areas going up to the upper or around the mid 90s, closer to 93, 94. Okay. Then overnight, 62s are low, 78 tomorrow. Notice that difference from 90 to 78. It's going to feel a lot different as well. By Thursday, the wind flow comes back up out of the southeast. We'll start to see a few extra clouds in the sky, still right around 78. So no major change there. But then here comes Friday and Saturday. That's when we introduce that cloud cover, and a few extra rain showers will be in the forecast too. And that's with the next cold front. That one will eventually move through Saturday going into Sunday, dropping temperatures from the upper 70s to right around 70. Then look at Sunday night. That's the coldest night this week, 49. And the rest of the nights will either be in the 50s and 60s. But then by Monday, we're back to near 75 degrees with mainly dry conditions. So definitely get your rain gear ready to rock and roll this weekend, especially if you have plans outdoors. And don't forget on Sunday to bundle up. It will feel a bit cooler outside. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.